Hey friends, if the taskbar icons are missing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check taskbar settings, because when we say that taskbar icons are missing, one of these icons are the ones which are a default part of Windows, like this one, and the widgets. And the other ones are apps. So if you wish to manage taskbar settings, right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. And here you can find the switch for Copilot. If I wish to disable it, I can disable it. I can disable task view, and I can also disable the widgets. And if I want these back, then all I need to do is turn the switch on. The widgets are back. Turn the switch on. Task view is back. Turn the switch on. Copilot is back. This is one thing, but what about the apps? For example, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and the Microsoft Store and all. Now I removed Microsoft Store, but if you want it back, then simply right click on the Microsoft Store and select Pin to Taskbar. It's the same for any app. The third solution will be to delete the icon cache. Now how do we delete the icon cache? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command app data and hit enter. Basically it's percentage app data percentage, very easy to remember. Select all of these and hit the delete key, and then click on skip because these are currently in use, but the ones which are not in use have been deleted. The last solution is to restart File Explorer. Now this thing about restarting File Explorer is if any of these options are not visible, nor the system tray, I mean like the taskbar is totally blank, even the clock is not appearing. In that case, restarting the File Explorer will help. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Wait for it to load. It will need a few seconds. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Once all of this is done, you can also reboot your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.